We'll guide you through how to add black gradient in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Click New Project to start a new editing project and open the Setup window. In the Project Name field, type the name of your project or file, for example, how to add black gradient in Premiere Pro, so it is easy to recognize later. After naming the project, choose the file location where you want to save the project on your computer to keep everything organized. Once all settings are ready, click Create to open the project workspace and access the editing interface. Next, click File from the top menu to import the media you want to use. From the menu that appears, select Import to open the file browser window. For example, choose the image you want to use, then click Open to import it into the project. After the file appears in the project panel, drag the image onto the timeline to create a new sequence or place it into an existing one. This image will be used as the base for adding the black gradient effect. Once the image is placed on the timeline, zoom out the program monitor view according to your needs so you can clearly see the entire working area. Then select the rectangle tool from the toolbar to create a shape. Draw a rectangle shape in the program monitor, similar to the example shown in the video, and position it where you want the gradient to appear. After creating the shape, go to the Effect Controls panel to adjust its settings. Scroll down until you find the Shape section, then select Create 4-point polygon mask in that section. Adjust the shape directly in the program monitor according to your needs so it fits the area you want to cover. Next, click the color box in the Fill section to open the color settings. Change the color according to your preference, for example choose black, then click OK to apply it. To create a smooth gradient effect, adjust the mask feather value in the mask section according to your needs. Increasing this value will soften the edges and create a gradual transition. If necessary, readjust the mask size and position in the program monitor to refine the final result until the gradient looks clean and natural.